Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best way to decide between Cash App and PayPal. Alright, so the best way to decide between Cash App and PayPal is to match the platform to your actual use case and not popularity. Cash App works best for fast peer-to-peer transfers, for local payments, and for casual business transactions with minimal setup. It offers speed and ease over detailed buyer protection. PayPal, on the other hand, is best suited for online sales, for international transactions, formal invoicing, and for situations where dispute resolution and purchase protections matter. All right, so consider exactly how often you deal with strangers, how often you deal with refunds or cross-border payments. Also evaluate fees, transaction visibility, and how each platform integrates with your existing financial tools. Choose correctly, and this is going to reduce friction. It's going to lower your risk, and of course, it's going to save you time once you choose the best app. The right platform is the one that supports your payment needs without forcing workarounds or exposing you to unnecessary complications. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.